With the February 25, 2023 election fast approaching, worthy of concern are the roles of crucial stakeholders in ensuring free, fair and credible polls. One central focus of this meeting is to share important information to Nigerians as it relates to the upcoming election. The keynote speaker, Professor Mohammed Laden, says the general public should cooperate with the judiciary to prosecute election offences.
We need to enhance the capacity, and then for the public, to cooperate with law enforcement agencies in the arrest and generation of evidence so that the office of the Attorney General can actually be in a position to have the credible evidence to prosecute offenders.
Other stakeholders are calling on security agencies, civil society groups, the media and all Nigerians to play their roles.
INEC should do more to ensure that every person that registered gets his or her voter cards. That is one. Then other stakeholders, especially security agencies, they have a fundamental role to play. Security agencies are the ones that will make the environment conducive during the election, during the exercise.
It's very important for every stakeholder to put their hand on deck in making sure that we have a smooth transition, such as we need to sensitize our followers and make sure that we have a hedge-free election that is going to bring in new leadership that Nigerians are clamoring for.
You need the media. You need the media because they are the ones to step down the information and simplify them to the understanding of the ordinary citizen. And therefore, in all that the INEC can do, in all that the security agencies can do, and in all that all of us, including the political parties, the voter, the security agencies, in all that they can do.
It is the plea, however, that all activities be carried out peacefully. Joy Igochi, ITV News.